The humidity in central Iowa is starting to increase as we reach late morning hours. The current time is 9:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a moderate risk of severe storms for much of Iowa, Illinois, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Storms will be impacting this area in red the most. Now your hazardous weather outlook for the period of today and tomorrow. Severe storms are likely throughout the afternoon hours. Showers and thunderstorms will be likely in Des Moines. Tomorrow, patchy fog in the morning, then turning cloudy in the afternoon. A tornado watch for the following areas, western Iowa. Effective 6 p.m. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. And in close to the watch area, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements or possible warnings. Stay tuned to our NOAA radio station in Des Moines, Iowa, or cable or television broadcast. Now the extended hazardous weather outlook through the period of Friday night to Tuesday morning. Light rain is expected on Friday, possible flooding due to severe storms from Wednesday. On Saturday, wind gusts will be up to 40 miles per hour with mostly cloudy conditions. Sunday, mostly clear. Nothing severe yet. Monday, clear. Tuesday, slight chance of light rain with possible thunderstorms. Now your forecast for the periods of time. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Jasper, Marion, Polk, and Warren. Effective until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Perry, or 26 miles west of Des Moines, heading east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expected wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Minburn, Dallas Center, Des Moines, Indianola, and Newton.
To get under cover in order to stay safe from surrounding debris. For those just joining, we are currently tracking severe storms heading into the Des Moines area. We are in a call with John Bowman. John, what can you tell right now and what can you see?
Yay, Bill, I don't know if I can see anything right now. I'm in downtown Des Moines and all I can see is rain. I do see some leaves and sticks on the roads, and I do see a progression of flooding. I am currently looking at the system, and it is saying that by noon all severe activity in the city will be cleared, but will be impacting the east. This looks terrible. But it will get even more terrible soon. If I were someone trying to find shelter, the best place for me would probably be the lowest floor in a sturdy building with no windows. The National Weather Service is expecting a life-threatening storm to hit East Iowa in the afternoon hours. For now we are clear and dealing with this warning. So far no tornado warnings have been issued yet. I'll try and get more information.
Thank you, John. We will check in with you soon. All right, we will be getting back to severe coverage mode. A possibility of a tornado warning for Jasper County is imminent, as storm chasers from that area are now reporting rotation. No tornado yet though. as we could see a life-threatening storm soon. The severe thunderstorm in effect for Polk, Marion, Jasper and Warren will expire in 10 minutes. Possibly an upgrade to a tornado warning. Speaking of tornadoes, the probability for tornadoes is up to 30%. That is high, as we now have some.
Bill,
Yes, Sarah?
multiple reports from Jasper County are now reporting vision of rotation, and I have not seen this many reports before for a possible tornado. And this can be impactful too.
Oh my God, those people were right. Folks, a new tornado warning has now been issued for only Jasper County effective until 11 a.m. This can be a dangerous tornado. For those folks in Jasper County, do not wait to see or hear a tornado. Take cover now. This is the first tornado warning issued in this entire storm. And to be honest, it was pretty expected. This tornado is moving southeast. So this can impact the whole county even if you're in the very north. We will be going into a commercial break. Folks, alerts will be on the bottom. Please stand by and we'll be right back after this commercial break.
Blended Coke with rich coffee for one very good reason. Your afternoon pick-me-up routine needed it. Simple as...
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties in Iowa: Marshall County in central Iowa, Tama County in west central Iowa until 11:15 a.m. At 10:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Green Mountain heading southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: storm spotters confirm tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged to destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Green Mountain, LeGrand, Montour, Garwood, Toledo, and Tama. Take cover now. Move to the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, vehicles, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for the following counties in Iowa, Marshall, and Tama. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Grundy County in central Iowa, southeastern Hardin County in central Iowa, northern Marshall County in central Iowa, until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles north of Bangor heading east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged to destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Providence, Conrad, Liscombe, Union, Beeman, Whitten, and Gifford. Take cover now. Move to the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for the following counties in Iowa: Grundy, Hardin, and Marshall.
Those in Cedar Rapids have to keep an eye on rotation as a huge storm is now approaching the Cedar Rapids region. 4 counties in our coverage area are under a tornado warning, which are Grundy, Tama, Marshall, and Hardin counties. Our storm team is seeing a hook west of Cedar Rapids heading into Lynn County. Now let's talk about the tornado in Hardin County heading east for Marshall and Grundy counties. This tornado is currently an EF1. So I would already be prepared for this tornado. In fact, multiple shelters in northwestern Grundy County have been heavily damaged to destroyed. This just in, a new severe weather bulletin. Severe thunderstorm warning has now been issued by our storm team and the National Weather Service for Benton and Lynn counties until 11:55 a.m. The system is saying that this will bring hail up to teacup size. And a tornado is possible along with this storm, which makes me concerned because there is a hook at the end of that storm which is now entering Lynn County.
I am sorry to interrupt, but we have just gotten a damage report from the Van Horn to the New Hall area. Residents and storm chasers are saying that damaging hail has not only made an impact on houses, but roads. They are saying that there is so much hail that it looks like winter right now. And they are saying winds have even damaged brick buildings. And some safety shelters were heavily damaged to destroyed.
I figured. The tornado warning for Marshall and Tama counties has expired. One of our visuals is out there now in Marshalltown while they are under a tornado warning. James Cornell is in Marshalltown right now. James, this is Peter Woodman. Tell us, what is going on over
These
there?
sirens sound like a nightmare, even though there is no...
Extremely large and extremely violent tornado heading for Waterloo. This is an emergency situation. Tornado emergency for Waterloo. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for Black Hawk, Bremer, Butler and Grundy until noon. At 11:17 a.m., numerous sources confirmed an extremely large and extremely violent tornado headed straight for Waterloo. Tornado emergency for Waterloo. This is an emergency situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, multiple, including trained weather spotters, radar, and public confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to homes, vehicles and businesses is likely, and complete destruction is possible. For your protection, move to a basement, storm shelter, or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris.
This is a Weather Wisconsin special report.
Welcome to Weather Wisconsin here in La Crosse. For more weather information in Wisconsin, please tune in to channels 70 to 78 for our stations in Milwaukee, Madison, Eau Claire, La Crosse, Wausau, Green Bay, Superior, and Appleton. But now here in La Crosse, a severe weather outbreak is approaching the state quickly. For residents in the pink and yellow counties, be aware for severe weather coming your way. We currently do not have a visual out there due to the extreme weather. However, we do have live skycams of each city in the area. Okay, now on to our severe weather outlook. A high risk has been issued for the Weather Wisconsin La Crosse area. Tornado chances have reached its maximum, 60%. This is one of the most deadly storms that will happen, and this day might go down as history. Now going out of state, a tornado emergency has been issued for the city of Waterloo. According to the system, the tornado is currently in the F4, just 4 miles west of downtown Waterloo as of now. Black Hawk County, which is where Waterloo is.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of multiple authorities. The severe storms that occurred earlier today has left dozens of homes and lots of fatalities. The number of fatalities has yet to be counted. Those in the following areas: southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and eastern Iowa should be aware of severe debris. Do not use the telephone lines. Telephone lines are open for official use only. The Illinois National Guard is en route to assist those in need. Do not drive outside. Debris could affect the driving conditions. Please stay tuned for later alerts.